pool fridge. When I checked today the ice dispenser, and it's disgusting. This is the water and the ice dispenser. So I'm gonna get them cleaned. Just using the toothbrush and vinegar. But first, you need to come here and you need to lock it. So I'm gonna look here. So now it's locked. That's first thing. So I poured some of the white vinegar in a small cup. That this I will throw away later, because it will have lots of bacteria in it. I will not use it again. For the dispenser, the ice dispenser, I needed to bend the toothbrush to reach to some areas. Just bend it. I put it, bend it. It's a put it, warm it up a little bit. Then I bend the head so I can reach to areas where a straight toothbrush can reach. This is better. The disc. I also came inside the fridge where the dispenser. I poured some vinegar. The vinegar, the disc on the other side will hold it. If you can see, the water did not leak. This will clean the dispenser from inside as well. I will let it for maybe 5 minutes to clean the dispenser from. There is a plate or a disc that holds the ice, and like a flapping disc. I cleaned it from the outside. I want to clean from the inside as well. So you just pour some vinegar here and let it soak, and this should take care of it. It's dripping the vinegar that I poured inside. Go slowly. Once this finish, again I will wait just for 5 minutes. Then it's very important at the beginning that to wear a safety glasses. When you spray vinegar, it may come in the person's eye, so it's important to have safety glasses. After I finish, I'm gonna wipe everything with water, because I mean this is acid, vinegar is acid, and may damage the steel of the fridge. Now I unlocked. I still want to clean this flapping disc from the other side. So I unlocked the system, and all you need to do is just touch it. Now you can see the disc is open now. I can clean the other side and clean the edge like that. And now it closes. If you need it again, just a little bit touch like this. And the disc is open. Now it's perfectly clean. Of course, you need to dispense water to cleanse the system from any vinegar that might get into it, and of course ice. And here is the final look. It's a lot better now. If you learned something new in this video, like, subscribe, and share. Enjoy your water. Just go in this. All crevices.